So y'all, it has been 1 year, 1 full year since we have moved into this house, which seems crazy, but we have been working on things. We've gotten a lot accomplished, though it has not been fast. Ever since we've been living here, we've been doing something, but I don't really think we've taken a lot of breaks, but you know, life and work and things just take precedence. So now that we're here, there's not as much push per se to get us in, so we're not moving quite as quickly, but we are still getting things done. Pretty much we've got some touch-up paint, we've got an extra coat to paint in the stairway going up to Willow's room, and we still need to paint those exterior doors. For those of you all that don't know, we adopted a puppy a while back, and she still kind of is a handful, but she was a handful at first. We found her, someone had abandoned her, so it took a lot, and with us having very little grass and as much rain and snow as we had over the winter, she really made a muddy mess of the front door. So I was not about to paint that only to have it destroyed. And then now it's kind of hot, and so I've been kind of lax about it, but we'll definitely tackle that over the fall. By that time she'll be close to a year old, and she has slowed down quite a bit with her puppy stage, so hopefully it'll be even better by then and we can get those few things done. We're doing stuff on the outside and just trying to keep moving, and so that's kind of what you'll see today. If you guys remember back, way back, we did concrete on the floor of our living room for a little hearth for our wood stove, and we stained it, and it turned out great. So we had this wonderful idea that we were going to do that again for a little ledge in our bathroom where we had the knee wall. So we got the color perfect, everything was great. We had a board laid down with some stuff before we formed it, or before Jason formed it, to pour the concrete so that we should be able to remove the ledge piece once it's set up. Well, trial and error. That was our first time doing something like that, and we thought, hey, we'll flip it over, it'll be great, and we'll adhere it to the wall. No, not so much. It did not come undone. The more and more we moved, tried to get it unstuck, it cracked, and so that was pretty much a day's worth of work, overnight setting, but a day's worth of work, and I don't even remember what it cost us. I don't know. It was a little chunk, small chunk, but still enough that we didn't want to waste. But anyway, it was all wasted. So we decided we had all this beautiful lumber that was milled, rough sawn lumber from where we cut the road in and cut out for the house, that we thought, why not just use that? And so we put clear poly on it, and it absolutely turned out great. So, we had a natural material here that worked out better than what we were trying to put together in the first place. And last but not least on our list of items that we've gotten done recently, or this is the most recent, but over the last year is everything in this video, but most recently was the start to our new chicken coop. I can't begin to tell you how ready I have been for this for over a year. When we first started out with the chicken coop, like 12 years ago maybe, we didn't really know what we were doing. We lived beside my grandparents, so we first had chickens in their barn, and we made a little makeshift coop inside the barn for them, and that was fine. Then when we moved them over next door to our place, beside of my grandparents, we built a coop. Well, it's okay. I mean, hey, it's worked, right? So when we sold the house, the folks that bought it from us, they used it, and then it was vacant after they sold it. And then the folks that now own it, so 3 owners after us, they didn't want it anymore, so we got it, which, oh my goodness, it was a bear to move it. We moved it to my dad's while we lived there, had the chickens there. Then we moved it to the new place, and I'm gonna tell you what, it was a disaster moving every time, which it's built great, but whatever, it was a pain in the butt. But it's been moved around, so it's not as sturdy, it's old. It was never meant to last quite this long, really, for all those moves and things. So anyway, the new one I am so excited about, and there will be way more details on that to come, so definitely stay tuned. But here's a few sneak peeks. It's been 2 years since we've started this process, and 1 year as of June 5th since we've lived in the house. Thank you guys so much for following along with us, and stay tuned for more.